This tutorial explains how to connect your social media account to Social by Greenwood apps. Click the Connected Account section to begin linking your social media profiles. Click Add Account to start the process of connecting a new social media account. Select the social media platform you want to connect. Click the Account Nickname field to enter a custom name for your social media account connection. Click Submit to save the account nickname and proceed with the connection. Depending on the social media platform, this page may look different. Make sure to select Allow to proceed. Switch back to Social by GWA to confirm the connection was successful. Next, click the notification indicating that this account requires a subscription update to proceed. Click the $month option to upgrade your subscription and enable your account. That's it. Just repeat the process with all of your other social media accounts you'd like to connect. Thank you for choosing Social by Greenwood apps.